Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience using GoDaddy's digital marketing tools. Is GoDaddy digital marketing a worthwhile investment? Let's find out. In this video, we'll explore the value of GoDaddy's digital marketing tools for businesses, focusing on their features, user-friendliness, and overall effectiveness. GoDaddy's digital marketing suite is tailored for small business owners seeking to manage and expand their online presence without needing extensive technical expertise. It offers a comprehensive range of features, including website SEO optimization, social media management, email marketing, and business listing management, all accessible through a single, intuitive dashboard. This all-in-one design streamlines digital marketing efforts, making it a convenient solution for busy entrepreneurs. One notable feature is GoDaddy's SEO optimization tool. It provides clear, actionable steps to improve your website's search engine ranking. By simplifying keyword selection, title tag optimization, and meta description crafting, this tool is particularly helpful for beginners navigating the complexities of SEO. While it lacks the advanced features of larger platforms, it offers sufficient functionality for small businesses to enhance their online visibility. For social media management, GoDaddy offers tools to schedule and publish content across various platforms, such as Facebook and Instagram. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, allowing for effortless management of multiple social media accounts without relying on additional software. However, compared to dedicated social media management platforms, it does have limitations in terms of in-depth analytics and customization options. GoDaddy's email marketing feature enables you to create and send marketing campaigns using customizable templates. It integrates smoothly with your website and other GoDaddy services, such as the social media management tools. While user-friendly, its features are more basic than those found in dedicated email marketing services. Maintaining a consistent online presence is crucial, and GoDaddy addresses this with its business listing management tool. This tool helps ensure your business information remains consistent across various platforms like Google and Yelp, saving you valuable time and effort. In terms of pricing, GoDaddy's digital marketing tools are generally affordable, particularly for businesses already using their hosting or website services. However, if you require more advanced features or in-depth analytics, platforms like HubSpot or Hootsuite might be better suited to your needs. In conclusion, GoDaddy's digital marketing suite is a valuable asset for small business owners seeking a beginner-friendly, all-in-one solution for managing their online presence. Its ease of use and seamless integration with other GoDaddy products are definite advantages. However, marketers seeking more advanced features for complex campaigns may find its functionality somewhat limited.